Create a clear safe zone before movers arrive to prevent wandering and accidents during a home move. Start by choosing a quiet room with a lockable door as the primary safe zone and prepare it with a soft surface, favorite toys, snacks, and a familiar blanket to reduce stress for children and pets. Measure doorways and hall width ahead of time so gates or temporary barriers fit properly and avoid last-minute returns to the moving path. Pack an activity bag with a change of clothes, medications, and comforting items, and keep it near the safe zone door so you can grab it quickly if transfers are needed. Post simple, legible signs for professional movers on access rules and where not to enter to prevent inadvertent openings of the safe room. Assign one family member to supervise the safe zone full-time during loading and unloading and rotate breaks so supervision never lapses. For pets that resist confinement, use a crate familiarized over several days before moving day or arrange a short-term off-site stay for high-stress animals to keep everyone calm. 3 common mistakes are leaving the safe zone unattended during high activity, relying on closed doors without extra barriers, and not communicating the plan to movers and household helpers. If the safe zone is left alone, designate and confirm the assigned supervisor and set scheduled check-ins every 15 minutes to maintain coverage. If a closed door is the only measure, add a baby gate or secure latch so a door that opens accidentally does not become an escape route. If movers and helpers are unaware of the plan, give them a short briefing at arrival and place clear signs on the safe room so everyone follows the same rules. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and gives contractors a way to find work that fits their skills and availability. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors can share real experiences, ask questions, and get practical advice about safe moving layouts and other projects.